Want to sublimate on cotton? I've got a glitter hack that works like magic. In this video, I'll show you how to use white glitter HTV as a base for sublimation right on cotton fabric. I'll be using Cricut Design Space, sublimation paper, and a heat press. Let's get into it. I'm starting off in Cricut Design Space by uploading my design. Once it's sized just right for my shirt, using the template built into Cricut Design Space, I make a duplicate. One copy stays set to print then cut. That's for the sublimation. The second one I change to basic cut so Cricut can cut it from the white glitter HTV. If you're new to Cricut, make sure your design is flattened before you print, especially with layered images. But for this design, no flattening is needed. The design was all ready to go. Now I print the sublimation design using my sublimation printer. Make sure to mirror your image, turn on the bleed, and bump up the print quality to high. This gives you the most vibrant colors when it's time to press. The tools I'm using are a sublimation printer, sublimation paper, white glitter HTV, and my Cricut Maker. You can use an Explorer as well. While that's printing, I load the glitter HTV shiny side down and cut it using the glitter iron-on setting. Once cut, I go ahead and weed the excess vinyl. Now it's time to press. I preheat my heat press to 310 degrees Fahrenheit, then press the glitter HTV onto the cotton shirt for 15 seconds. Because I'm doing more than one press, I'd like to press the first time shorter. I used a little trick for lining up my glitter HTV onto my shirt. I folded the shirt in half, pressed it for 10 seconds. That makes a crease right down the center. I folded the glitter HTV pattern in half to put a crease in the plastic so I could line it up perfect on the shirt just where I want it so it was straight and in the center of the shirt. Try this hack and let me know how it works for you. Next, I place the sublimation print directly over the HTV, lining it up perfectly, and secure it with heat-resistant tape. Final press. Now increase the heat on your heat press to 340 degrees Fahrenheit and press it again, this time for 60 seconds. Let's do the peel and reveal. Just look at the color pop. The glitter base gives the sublimation ink something to grab onto, and the result is permanent, vibrant, and totally cotton friendly. Perfect for custom shirts, gifts, and even your small business. I just love how bright and sparkly the design comes out with this hack. If you found this sublimation hack helpful, give this video a thumbs up and comment below if you've tried sublimation on cotton. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more Cricut hacks, sublimation tutorials, and custom DIY projects right here on this channel. Until next time, happy crafting!